All right, now let's generalize. Given an expression in the form ax squared plus bx plus c where a is not equal to 0, describe a step-by-step process for completing the square. All right, first we're going to split this into two different strategies. Strategy number one is if your a value is equal to 1, then if you're given it's essentially x squared plus bx plus c, I'm going to scoot it over. First, you're going to add b over 2 squared here and subtract b over 2 squared here. What this is going to allow you to do is, let's write this as add and subtract b over 2 squared. What this is going to allow you to do is factor, and it's going to factor into x, and then whatever this number is right in here, b over 2 squared, that's going to go right here, b over 2. And then you're going to simplify whatever this is. That's going to be plus c minus b over 2 squared. So our step here is going to be factor and simplify. Now, if your a value is not equal to 1, and let's say you're given a x squared plus bx plus c. I'm going to scoot the c over a little bit. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to factor out the a just from the first two terms. So we're going to rewrite that as a x squared plus b over a plus c. So we'll call this factor a from first two terms. Then in step 2, we're going to complete the square. So you're going to have this a on the outside. You're going to have x squared plus b over a x. We'll leave a little space, plus c. And when we complete the square, you're going to be adding b over a, and then it's going to be half of that squared here. And you're going to be subtracting it here on the outside, b over 2a squared. And then because there's an a here, you have to have another a here. Okay? So this is called completing the square, and we're going to add, subtract. You're going to add b over 2a squared inside the parentheses, and you're going to subtract b over 2a squared times a on the outside of the parentheses. And then we're going to factor and simplify. So step 3 is this is going to factor into a x plus, and then whatever's right here is going to be what comes after it, whatever b over 2a is, squared, and then this whole part is going to simplify. So it's going to be, and if we did this, this is going to be plus c, this is going to be b squared on the top, and on the bottom, you're going to have 4a squared on the, and then it's going to be multiplied by a. So this is going to simplify to 4a. And you can see that right here if you did b over 2a squared, that's b squared over 4a squared. And when you multiply by a here, one of these on the top and one of them on the bottom cancels out. So now you have b squared over 4a. And so our name for this step is going to be factor and simplify.